day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service, then please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. Friday was an atrocious day for the bulls here. We ended the day down 3.37%, and that was on the back of Jerome Powell's speech. And, it's quite a surprisingly bearish move, because I personally have never seen a move so big on something that was so obvious, if that makes sense. Typically in the stock market, if something's too obvious, it means it's either a trap or something else that's just not right. And everyone going into Friday knew that Jerome Powell was going to be incredibly hawkish, and he was. He was very hawkish. And we've seen the market decline 3.37%. So maybe there's something happening here under the surface. I'm not quite sure. But nevertheless, many individuals and retail traders are looking at this now, becoming very bearish. And, do I think that the markets are just going to go straight back to those, July highs, or sorry, the August highs up at around 4,300? No, I don't. But, at the same time, I don't really want to be shorting the market here and putting all my eggs in one basket going towards the downside, because even if we did go down to the June lows, which personally I do not believe we are going to go and retest, that only represents a 9% fall towards the downside. So many retail traders are going to be selling significantly, trying to target, at best case, we go down to those June lows. I don't think we do. I think we could go as low as the 0.23 fib area, which is down around 3,900. We could perhaps go down as low as 3,800, but ultimately I think that we bounce. What I would be looking to do here is to start to dollar cost average towards the downside, because yes, we may still have a little bit further to fall, but ultimately we are going to rebound. And if we go and trade back to those all-time highs, that represents a 19.4% gain. So, don't make your trading account so black and white where you short until here and then you buy. Start dollar cost averaging. Yes, you are going to probably be in negative territory for the next couple of weeks, but it doesn't matter, because ultimately you are, your risk management is going to allow the market to go back down towards those June lows at worst. And then once we get that bounce back towards those all-time highs, that is when you will capitalize on this market. I think personally, the market's going to really struggle now up until the 13th of September. Next week's a shortened trading week because the 5th of September is a holiday in the US. So that, of course, is going to cause low liquidity. And I think, the 13th of September is going to be pivotal for where this market goes next, because that's when we get the next CPI reading. And if inflation hasn't come down significantly on the 13th of September, then wow, we could see the market itself significantly back down towards those June lows. But the good news is that I don't believe that's going to happen. I think we are going to see a massive decrease in inflation, and again, that's what could potentially be a catalyst that sends this market back up towards those August highs.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.